Garlic prawn canapes. Hello and welcome to Eatn-tv. I'm Chef Brendan. Today we're making garlic prawn canapes. This is part of our How to Make Savoury Canapes series. Here's the garlic prawn canapes. So I've made a nice white wine sauce, cooked off some prawns and a little bit of garlic butter and chilled them down, and then the white wine sauce I made yesterday. There'll be another video, I'll link to that in the description. But yes, I've got the chilled white wine sauce. It helps bring the temperature of the prawn or shrimp down. I'll put some white wine sauce and some shallots on it. Now I'm topping it with a little bit of shaved Parmesan cheese. And the general idea is that we put these in the oven for about 15 minutes, nice moderate to hot oven, and pull them out and give them to our guests. Fairly simple to make. You can make them in advance. So let's plonk them in the oven. Okay, so they're cooked. Took about 15 minutes. The oven I've got isn't all that great either. So lovely garlic prawn filled canapes. Piece of puff pastry, put it in a bit of an oiled muffin tray or something similar, fill it with the garlic prawns, the sauce, some shallots, a couple of cheese, plonk it in the oven. I've tried a couple, they're really nice. I've also on the tray made some Mediterranean canapes. I'll link the video for that up in the description if you'd like to have a look at that. Please subscribe and visit Eatn-tv for all your recipes with food costs. Thank you.